Don't make the same mistake many people do. Coriander seeds offer several health benefits due to their nutritional content and medicinal properties. Here are 10 short benefits of coriander seeds. 1. Digestive Aid. Coriander seeds can help alleviate digestive discomfort and promote healthy digestion. 2. Anti-Inflammatory. They possess anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Antioxidant Rich. Coriander seeds are rich in antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. 4. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest coriander seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Cholesterol management. They may contribute to lowering LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 6. Weight management. Coriander seeds can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety and reducing appetite. 7. Immune support. They contain vitamins and minerals that support a healthy immune system. Ingredients: coriander seeds,